I want to say you one method. Actually, this method is not there in your books. If you just go through, you will not find. This is in higher mathematics. Actually, one great mathematician was there, Gabriel Cramer. He has invented this method of getting a system of getting the solution of system of linear equations, that is called the Cramer's rule. So let us just see, because we are discussing about the solution of the system of linear equations, so obviously if we know in another way, that will be better for you only. You will do those in higher mathematics, but also this is a handy rule, very interesting rule actually, that's why I am saying. So let us solve this system only, the previous one what I have shown by the matrix method, this system by Cramer's rule. Let us directly go to the method, go to the calculation, and while doing the calculation I will say what is the method actually. First of all, you have to see for the Cramer's rule also the data is coming 0 or not. If there is one condition, the condition is, that is date A must be not equals to 0. If date A equals to 0, then the Cramer's rule cannot be applied. Why, I will say you while doing the calculation. So date A not equals to 0. Here also we have got date A equals to 67. So it was not equals to 0. Let us apply the Cramer's rule now. So here you have to see what are the variables: x, y, z. Those are the variables. It will be look like the cross multiplication method to solve the linear equation. The same type. Actually, what is the cross multiplication method in two variable linear equations? That is the same thing, same method is being applied here by to solve the system of linear equation of three variables. Let us see. Here equals to 1. The same process. This is by, this by, this by, and this by. That this is the more generalized form actually. You have done that cross multiplication method. That's why I am saying you. Now here it is x. Actually, let me write down a mod a once. Then you can understand. 1, 2, 3. Here 2, 3, minus 3, and here minus 3 to minus 4. And mod b, it was minus 4 to 11. Not mod b, actually the matrix B. So x is at the first column. So when x is at the first column, instead of this 1, 2, 3, we will write minus 4 to 11. Just write that, and with also the determinant form. So minus 4 to 11, 2, 3, minus 3, minus 3 to minus 4. This is for x. Now y is at the middle column. So at the middle column, instead of this 2, 3, minus 3, we will change it at the minus 4 to 11. So 1, 2, 3, minus 4 to 11, and minus 3 to minus 4. Now z at the third column. So third column will be changed by that one. So again 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, minus 3, minus 4 to 11. Now the ones part will be this date A. The simple thing, and you are finding date A. At first you have to find. So whenever you are finding, then that value you can put here. Actually this will be this. Okay. So now this is the system of linear equations. So x equals to this by this, that is 1 by 67 into this. Here x by equals to y by equals to z by equals to 1 by 67. So you will do those calculations. I am not showing you. You will actually I have solved previously. That's why just I am writing the solutions here. So this determinant, the value of this determinant is coming 201 value of this determinant is coming minus 134 and value of this determinant is coming 67. So x by 201 equals to 1 by 67. That means x equals to 201 by 67. So it is coming 3. Y equals to minus 134 by 67. So it is coming minus 2. And z equals to 67 by 67. It is coming 1. So this is the Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule to find out the solution of system of linear equations. So I think you have got the method, the matrix method is there in your syllabus, and this is also Cramer's rule. I think you can do this. If you have understood this process, then also you can do it at your board's exam. No one will cut the marks. So today up to this, you will do the solution of the questions in your exercise book of Agarwal and also R.D. Sharma. So thank you, students.